Okay, I'm down here by Sloppy Joe's, Dumpstar, Alaska. I guess they're getting tired of this area flooding because it don't drain. Maybe cleaning out the drain. You see all that dirt. You get all that dirt there, guess what, guys? The water's not gonna flow. So I'm thinking the owners of these bars here are doing this, but I really don't know. Because all this area floods a lot. Not good for business. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this. At least somebody down here in this area is starting to care. Okay, this area right here is known as, I guess, St. Thomas, something like that. I call it Sawmill. I've been calling it Sawmill for years, so not gonna change. Why change? Good morning. How are you?
Fine. How about you?
Oh, pretty good. Nice little community, right pretty close to Barrio Barretto. Morning. Bad thing with the sawmill area here is flooding. It just doesn't drain very well. I'm slowly making my way down the road. Not sure how far I'm going to go down. I don't like the sidewalk, that's for sure. It's not a very good situation. Good morning. Alright guys, over there welding. I didn't want to mess up my phone. Using my phone to record this. You don't need real expensive camera equipment to have a YouTube channel. I mean, it's your prerogative, of course, but a lot of guys are just using their cell phones. But then you got other guys, they got all kind of different cameras and they know all the different frame rates for nice little community, like I was saying. I do believe it's going to rain again, though. I did plan ahead, though. I have my umbrella. So that's a good thing. This poor guy got a... Morning! The guy on the bike, he was he's a recycler. Yep. I'm gonna get some big trucks. He's taking up almost the whole road. You know, one thing I don't see around here is way stations. You know, like we got in the States. That's one thing I haven't noticed. Nice houses. If I was going to live in this area, I would definitely pick an upstairs apartment. Even though I don't like upstairs, I hate upstairs with a passion. It's because I know the flooding situation in this area. I mean, it can flood a lot. We lived here about 12 years ago. Something like that. Was it 12? 12 or 7? I can't remember exactly. One year I flooded in my kitchen, living room. I had at least 3 feet of water. Needless to say, we moved, gave it up. Another big truck. I don't like these big trucks. I was telling me maybe I should only go down a little bit further. You know. As I said, I don't like these big trucks, and if I do some wrong timing, I'm going to get splashed. Somebody'd love to splash me right now, I know that. Hey, let's splash the foreigner. I'm just joking. But it does seem that way sometimes, so. You'll be standing by a puddle, and you know dang well that guy is speeding up. Good morning. Still flooding here, huh? That's always.
Because of the
yeah, the drainage not good. Yeah. Okay, take care, sir. Yeah. And the guy said it always floods, which I already know or knew. Whatever the right pronunciation for it is. But a lot of foreigners, they like it here. King Marcos, Overstay Road. He used to live down here. I don't think I'm going to walk all the way down to, what do you call it? Times Square. I don't think I'm going to make it that far. It's a pretty long distance. Oh, another big truck. See, I don't like these big trucks. Why are they making this? All they're doing is messing up the roads. Dog is not happy. Morning. Oh no, somebody vomited on the road. Yuck. Nothing like seeing a bunch of vomit. But that's what happens. These guys go out and get drunk all night. And they get sick. Life in the Philippines. Oh, another big truck. See, I don't like these. Yeah, not good at all.